Fumbling with your smartphone while trying to keep a drone in the air is a recipe for disaster. We have all been there. Staring at a tiny screen while squinting through the glare of the sun. Trying to get a signal through a buggy app that crashes at the worst possible moment. This latest professional drone tackles that headache head-on by ditching the phone requirement entirely. It comes with a massive display built right into the remote control, measuring over 4 inches across. This change feels like a breath of fresh air for anyone tired of mounting brackets and tangled cables. When you pull this machine out of the box, the first thing you notice is the build quality. It is a foldable design, but it does not feel flimsy or like a cheap plastic toy. There's a certain weight to it that suggests it can actually handle a bit of a breeze. Once you unfold the arms, it feels solid and ready for the sky. Under the hood, the motors have been beefed up to provide a much more stable hovering experience than what you find in entry-level models. This stability is the secret sauce for anyone trying to capture decent footage. If the drone is jittery, the video is useless, but this flyer stays remarkably still, even in a light wind. The flight test really showed off what those motors can do. The calibration process is straightforward. You just place it on a flat surface, power it up, and let the internal sensors do their work. On takeoff, it lifts off the ground with a smooth, confident motion. There is no frantic drifting to the left or right. It just hangs there, waiting for your next move. This is largely thanks to the altitude hold feature, which works like an invisible anchor in the sky. For beginners, this is a total game changer. You can actually take your hands off the sticks for a second without worrying about a crash or a sudden dip in height. Moving the drone through the air feels incredibly intuitive. The controls are snappy but not twitchy. When you push forward, it moves with a predictable speed, which is exactly what you want when navigating around trees or obstacles. The live feed on the controller screen is the real star here. It gives you that first-person view, letting you see exactly what the camera sees in real time. There is a tiny bit of lag if you are pulling off high-speed maneuvers, but for general cruising, it is remarkably clear. It makes you feel like you are sitting right in the cockpit. Even the landing process has been simplified. You just hit one button, and the drone descends gently back to the grass. It is built for people who want to spend more time flying and less time troubleshooting software. The range is impressive too, staying connected even when the drone is quite a distance away. If you are looking for a mid-tier machine that bridges the gap between toys and high-end gear, this might be the perfect sweet spot. It offers that pro-level feel without the complexity of 1,000 different settings. It is just you, the controller, and the open sky. Exactly how flying should be. No apps, no updates, just pure, uninterrupted flight. It handles the outdoor elements far better than the basic models, giving you the confidence to explore a bit further. The durability of the frame means a bumpy landing won't be the end of your day. It is a cohesive package, designed for the pilot who values convenience above everything else and wants a reliable tool for capturing the world from above. Every movement feels deliberate, every hover feels locked in, and every flight feels like a success, because you are always in total control.